Guys, there's Elena. Okay, let's have her, bring her over here. Bring her in her little boat.
No, it's our car.
Park. Oh, she wants to go again. Pull her again.
Hold it.
Oh, Lanybug, you don't like your box?
I can't do it. Mom, can
Hey, gentle. Careful. She doesn't like that. Okay. All right, that's enough. All right, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Adam.
No, I see it.
Say bye-bye, Adam.
Bye. Let me see. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Do you have pneumonia right now?
No.
Yep, Adam does. Okay, bye.